Hey, Mr. M here. Happy Friday. So I was talking with some students today and they gave me a topic. We were talking about questions that I deal with, so a phys ed teacher deals with on a daily basis the most. Kind of like, what are those top 5 questions that we get? And teachers probably get a lot of these questions as well, core teachers I'm talking about. So I went to school for 5 years, bit of a slow learner, kinesiology degree, bachelor's degree, kinesiology, phys ed. I also went for another 3 to 4 years to get my ed leadership degree. So a master's degree, a bachelor's degree, and none of those classes in those 8 years prepared me for these questions that I deal with the most at the middle school. Okay, so here they are. Mr. Marino, what are we doing today? I get it every class, probably 5 to 10 times a class. Even if everything is set up for badminton, rackets are out, birdies are out, first person in, Mr. Marino, what are we doing today? So that would be the number one question I hear, hands down. Okay, here are some other ones I wasn't prepared for in my 8 years of teaching. Can I go to the bathroom? What time is it? Mind you, there's a clock on the wall. Okay, but what time is it? Although the clock does have the hands, so I know a lot of the kids can't read the hand clock anymore. They need the digital. Other ones, what's the score? Scoreboard's right next to me. What are we doing tomorrow? Can I go to the bathroom? Okay, and Mr. M, why did my grade go down yesterday? Well, you didn't participate or you didn't wear the appropriate shoes. What sport are we going to do next? So I could go on and on with these questions. I'm sure phys ed teachers out there have some more they can add to this, so please do. But 8 years of college education and not one of those classes prepared me for dealing with these questions on a daily basis, every day. So shout out to the students who gave me that topic idea today. We discussed it a little bit and we came up with some good ones. Shameless plug of the day, Kinder Joy. We went to the Circle K in Carlton this morning, and my son always wants to buy a Kinder Joy. I've never had one, little egg-shaped candies with a toy in it, but I can't understand how, a couple things, Circle K can charge $3.19 for it, which if they're charging it, that means they're getting it. So shout out to Circle K and Kinder Joy, which is my shameless plug, because if you can charge $3.19 for those little egg-shaped things that my son eats in about 30 seconds, and my son gets them every time we go in there, that's the only thing he wants. I just got to shout out, shameless plug, Kinder Joy. Hey, everybody out there, have a great weekend, and we'll be back at it next week.